Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. Another loser unboxing. So there is some story about it. See, it is open. And a couple of days ago, I mentioned, where's my pen? I mentioned that I am falling in love with this pencil. And because I am falling in love with this pencil, I bought this pencil. It's 1.3 and I love it so much that I started to practice drawing. And yeah, everything, this is the very beginning. I am quite new to it. Still not so good, still not good at all, but start to practice, and I feel there's slowly I kind of starting to make some progress, and I love this pencil. So I do this drawing is inspired by my students. The students like drawing, and they like some real skill that you can draw something realistic. And so today I saw this pencil 1.3. Maybe I will change the lead from HB to 2B or even darker. But I hesitate, so I want to buy this for students to use. You know, I used to buy pencil, to buy mechanic pencil, and mechanic pencil because I am so very tired of sharpening pencil, and especially students throw the pencil sometimes and the pencil become break from inside, or even if they are careful, sometimes the sharpening pencil is very noisy, right? So I bought some 0.7 pencil, and it's too easy to break. The lead always break. So I was quite disappointed with that result. I'm thinking maybe I should buy a thicker one, and today I found it, and it feels quite good. You see, there is nothing, a handle, a holder that make it not easy to put. Even this, it's kind of not easy to put, right? You have several of these. This is functional, but it just have something else on it. And this one does not have anything, so you can put several of these into a pencil case, pencil box, and they are good. I think it's a very good design. It's and it is like pencil. And the best thing, I like it. There is nothing to stop it, and it's not round. It's triangular. You can see this is triangular. In classroom, the worst thing is that the pencil roll and fell to the ground. And this one is good. It will not fall to the ground. And I have a habit, or I have my little OCD or something. I do not like to use the eraser. I always have my erasers, and if someone use my eraser, I feel so heartbroken. And this is 0.3. Oh, I like it. can try. Oh, this is so good. Oh, such a pleasure to write. 写字. Oh, this is so good. 很快乐. And it's quite strong. So you can do shading. Yeah, very good for shading. Oh, I love it. So here's the story I want to tell. And you have seen the pencil here. The holder is falling off. So I check it in the store. I check it, and then it fall down from the hook. And I like it. I wanted to buy it. So I was hesitating. Should buy a new, complete, look sparkly, clean and good one, or buy this one, which is already broken. I was thinking, if you buy this, anyone go to store, spend money, they deserve to have the best, right? They do not need to buy it. But on the other hand, I will use it. This is not a gift. This is not a gift to give to someone. So it does not damage my usage. It does not make any difference for my use, for how I use it. So I was thinking, maybe I buy this one. If I buy this one, the store will have one less return or one less happy customer. This one, because it's broken, there are chances that they have a lot and this one will never get sold. Or this one eventually returned to the manufacturer, or became something nobody wants, wasted, or become something that another person buy it and not happy, right? Because it's broken. Maybe I can buy this one, and it can save the store. Save the store. Not only the store, it can save the world one less thing, because it does not make any difference for me. It is happy to have a perfect one, but I will use it, and I can also, even better thing, I can tell this story, and this story can create even more value to this pencil. Don't you think so? Anyway, I am very, very, very happy with it. I think I will buy 20 of these pencils, because in class, if one student have it, you have only 5, there will be fighting. Make sure everyone has one. And as far as the color, there is not much choice, right? A lot of time, in order to avoid fighting, sometimes I buy a pencil all black, all the same color. But it's more fun to have this different color. This is so good. Now I will start to do some drawing with this one. I will do some drawing. But anyway, that's it. You have a beautiful, beautiful evening. I love you. I really do. Do. Goodbye. Bye.